Hello again. Welcome to our look at the upcoming Tuesday, October 14th trading session. And as you can see, as per usual, we have the economic calendar in front of you. Really kind of a quiet day initially, but then we get CPI out of the UK, and that could be significant in the fact that the markets very well could react. Probably the FTSE and more than likely the British pound to that number. It's a year-over-year number anticipated to be 1.4%. After that, we have the Europeans releasing the German zoo economic sentiment. That can affect the DAX. That can affect the euro. So really, it's a Euro-centric day. After that, we don't really have a whole lot going on until we get CPI coming out of China. And the thing about China CPI is it could affect maybe the Australian dollar directly, but really what it's going to affect is the entire risk-on, risk-off type of equation out there in the marketplace. The stock markets will react to it just in general, so keep an eye on that. Speaking of the euro, you can see we tried to rally during the session here on Monday. Failed at the 128 level as usual, and or 127 level as usual, excuse me. It does look like the market will more than likely pull back a little bit here, maybe continue to drift lower. If those zoo numbers are bad out of Germany, the euro will more than likely sell off as well. Either way, we think rallies continue to offer put buying opportunity. Looking at the FTSE, we have had a little bit of a bounce here. We're not above the 6,400 level, and that's really what we need to clear in order to feel comfortable going long. At that point in time, the market would then come to the conclusion that we are heading back into consolidation. CPI could do that coming out of the UK. It's not until we close on a daily close above 6,400 that we're willing to buy calls, though. In the meantime, if those numbers are poor and we continue to fall, we figure this market probably goes to 6,000, and that's a put buying opportunity. As I mentioned previously, those Chinese numbers could affect the Australian dollar, so let's take a look at it. We've had a bit of a bounce. Really, if we can clear 0.89, the market's probably going to go higher. We could buy calls at that point. Really, at this point in time, though, it does look like we're consolidating, so any move will more than likely be of short-term significance between 0.89 and 0.8650. It is most certainly in a downtrend, though, so we are more comfortable, I should say, buying puts after rallies. So if the Aussie dollar does rally slightly, it's very likely that you could counter that with a put on the first signs of weakness. And with that, we have taken a look at the upcoming Tuesday, October 14th trading session.